Blood circulation blockage. The mind gets about 25% of the body's oxygen, yet it cannot hold it. Brain cells need a continuous supply of oxygen to remain healthy and function properly. Therefore, blood needs to be provided regularly to the brain through two main arterial devices. The carotid arteries come up through either side of the front of the neck. To feel the pulse of a carotid artery, place your fingertips gently against either side of your neck, right under the jaw. The basilar artery forms at the base of our skull, starting from the vertebral arteries which run up along the spine, join, and come up through the rear of the neck. The artery that sits at the base of the brain is the joining area of several arteries at the bottom, inferior, side of the artery that sits at the base of the brain is the internal carotid arteries branch into smaller arteries that supply oxygenated blood to over 80%. A reduction of, or disruption in, blood flow to the brain is the cause of a stroke. Blockage for even a short period of time can be disastrous and cause brain damage or even death. Ischemic, caused by a blockage in an artery. Hemorrhagic, caused by a tear in the artery's wall that produces bleeding into or around the brain. The consequences of a stroke, the type of functions affected, and the severity, depend on where in the brain it has occurred and the extent of the damage. Ischemic strokes are by far the more common type, causing over 80% of all strokes. Ischemia means the deficiency of oxygen in vital tissues. Ischemic stroke caused by blood clots that are usually one of three types: thrombotic or large artery stroke and atherosclerosis. That accounts for about 60% of all stroke. It usually occurs when an artery to the brain is blocked by a thrombus, blood clot, that forms as the result of commonly known as hardening of the arteries. These strokes are also sometimes referred to as large artery. The process leading to thrombotic stroke is complex and occurs over time. Blood circulation